Stop doing the right thing. This is very top of mind for me because I think there's so much information out there about the right thing to do. And everybody has so many different opinions. And, I've consumed this stuff for so long now. And the more and more I get into it, I think almost everything works. The business model you have works. The sleep routine you have works. The whatever the fuck you have works. And I think always consuming and trying to look for what's right, it's just another way to like mentally masturbate and not actually do the work at hand. And I think execution on a semi-decent plan that's 60% right is way better than spending all of your time trying to get a 100% plan that's perfect, because it's never going to be perfect. And another thing is, I think a lot of people, this is just me ranting about myself, and it's just easier to direct at other people because it's too painful to direct at myself. I think it's too many people take one shot on target and then they switch way too quickly. When the plan is fine, maybe just like a fucking tornado came through and fucked you, right? And you have to consider that. And that's a skill within itself, just to stick it out. But I would apply more and plan less. But I'm just another fucking guy on the internet telling you what the right thing is. Maybe figure it out, use your intuition. Be wrong. Be uncertain. Fail. Crazy words, I know.